We partner now with the FT to bring you Lex on Bloomberg. You get a sneak peek at the Financial Times' flagship column a day early. Taipei and Beijing differ on a host of issues, not the least of which is how to pronounce President Obama's name. Ben McLannahan is in Hong Kong with the story. So, Ben, first of all, give us the two pronunciations.
As best I can. I think it's Obama in China and closer to Obama in Taipei. And that's an emblem, really, of the disconnection between the two sides. What we had yesterday was the first attempt to accelerate the economic détente between the two that's been progressing since we had a new president in Taiwan last May. And today there's been a bit of a disappointment. Markets have reacted in Taiwan negatively. There's been about $1.4 billion lost of the market capitalization of the top 5 lenders.
Now, there's something else you're taking a look at, a memorandum of understanding that's making headlines as well.
Right.
What's going on?
That's right. This is the bank's attempt to work together. And since June, which was the first deadline, they've been working very hard on drawing up these new ground rules to accelerate the intermingling of capital flows between the mainland and the island. And there is some good news for Taiwanese lenders, that they'll now be able to convert their rep offices into branches, and they'll also be able to invest directly rather through overseas subsidiaries, which don't often qualify for the capital requirements. But the bad news is that they can't do any A-share brokerage, and they can't actually do any RMB business. So it swings and roundabouts.
So it seems like expectations were very high, which seems to perhaps indicate more disappointment. Is that how you take it?
Well, expectations were certainly very high on the Taiwanese side, because they stand to benefit much more, of course, than China. If you look at the biggest Chinese lender, ICBC, it's about 4 times bigger than Taiwan's top 5 lenders combined. And so there was a real sense that by leveraging China's emerging middle class and selling all these financial products to them, they could really accelerate their own growth. And now that ambition looks to have taken a step backwards.
Okay, Ben, we thank you very much. Ben McLannahan there from the FT joining us from Hong Kong.